Okay, clearly, as you can tell by this map, we're right here, and there definitely looks like there's more than one elevator. So I'm gonna guess this is the south elevator here at the chemistry building, Indiana University, Bloomington. And look at that replacement indicator. Strange. What was that? That's glitchy. It's an Otis. Oh, what? Is this traction? What is this? Oh, it is traction. What the heck is this? What is this? A 4-floor Series 1 traction. Let's get a cab view here. Nice cab overall, not too bad. But this is still strange. A 4-floor Series 1 traction. 4,000 pound capacity, and look at that indicator. This is so weird. Well, here we go. That floor passing chime almost sounds like a microwave. But this is really weird. That indicator, that's so cursed. Well, here we are. Well, there it goes. And that'll be it.